My name is Mini Chan Simpin and I am from Chemical Engineering Department. My MPU4 group project title is Promoting Indigenous Languages of Malaysia. The project is supervised by Dr. Roslyn Wan, Dr. Chong Su Lee, and Mr. Ahmad. The planning phase for this project started as early as in May, and on 18th and 19th of September, we conducted a 2-day webinar as our main event on MS Teams and Facebook Live. For this project, we have 3 objectives. They are to promote indigenous languages of Malaysia, to conduct a webinar to create awareness on the importance of indigenous languages, and to create awareness among students to support indigenous people and their languages. Therefore, our target community consists of students, indigenous communities, and public. For this project, I'm one of the committee members of Public Relations and Research Department. In this slide, I'll be talking about some of my contribution to this project during the planning phase. I've conducted a comprehensive research on the indigenous communities in Malaysia, and I was able to produce a 6 pages long of research report on the Kenyah people in Sarawak. Next, I've also conducted a research on the United Nations and their declaration to the Decade of Indigenous Languages, and then written a 10 pages long of research report as a reference and reading material to other members. I was also in charge of searching for potential collaborators and guests such as organizations, performers to our event through websites and social media. Last but not least, I've also prepared the presentation slide for the weekly bonding sessions. When the project was executed, I've drafted the main event invitation email to around 200 participants, and the email are checked and approved by the department supervisors. During the main event, I was in charge of jotting down the answers from the speakers in regard to the participants' questions in the Q&A sessions. After the main event has ended, I've contacted the lucky draw winners via email. In the email, I've informed them to provide personal information for prize claiming purposes. Last but not least, I was also in charge of sending the e-certificates to the main event participants through separate emails.